Hello everyone, welcome to QCar TV where we look at all the cool stuff. Today we're going to look at the Tesla Model Y UI and controls. This particular car was manufactured at the Tesla Shanghai factory in China. So heard that this particular car made in this factory has actually a better build quality. I think they put the panels, everything put together in a much better way, I guess. But again, we're going to look at the UI. So let's go. The Tesla Model Y, we have a toy box with all the fun stuff, and then this is the karaoke. This is the battery shortcut. Yeah, also you can check your battery, how much is left. And then down here you have the aircon controls. Now we're gonna this is the Apple Music button as well. The volume button, all on the display. So here we're going to look into the controls. You can set your aircon controls, mirrors. This is the pedals and steering. You can have it in steering mode, like comfort, standard, sport. I like it in sport. It's super responsive. You can set the battery when you're charging it. So how much battery do you want it to charge? I think when you say until 69, only charge until 69 and then it will stop. You can also change the ampere as well. So you want a slow charge, you can charge it slower to protect the battery. This is autopilot, so you can select all the options for the autopilot. Alright. This is for the keys, child lock, headlights options. You can set all the controls for the headlights and the lights in the car. Everything in the lights in the car, all those stuff you can control from here. This is display, so you can control wheel function, the touchscreen language, the time format, what else, region format, and then you can also control like tire size. You change your tires, time and stuff. Yeah, mostly all the normal stuff you can change here, but it's good that Tesla actually integrated all these options, because I like seeing all these options. This one is trip meter, so you can set all your trip meters here. You can delete the information of your trip, see how far you're driven, how much energy you use. Really useful if you are driving the Tesla a lot. This one is navigation. This one is to control like the tire pressure. Alright, you can put it in car wash mode. You can put it in towing if the battery runs out or something is wrong. Wheels and tires, all these hardware controls, buttons. So you have a look into that yourself. It's really nice. Then you go into software, just like in the iPhone. It'll show you the Model Y, it'll show you the VIN number of the car, extra information about this, whether you have the premium connectivity package. If it's installed, then it will say it there, like for the internet. So in Malaysia, Tesla charges 36 ringgit a month for the navigation package for the GPS data support. So yeah. So if you want that, just use the premium service from Tesla. Otherwise, you can just use your phone and do hotspot. This is Wi-Fi, so if it connects to Wi-Fi, it will tell you all the Wi-Fi routers around. Just like every other car with a head unit has Wi-Fi, but this Tesla is just UI is much better. I mean, it's much cleaner, it's much nicer, and this UI is actually in dark mode. So yeah, if it was not in dark mode, will be like very bright color, like bright. But this one's in dark mode, I think. You're gonna change it if you want a brighter one. This is a frozen shot of the app drawer. So you have Zoom, messages, calendar, phone. What else do you have? Arcade, toy box, manual, all the other tools you have, all the software, GPS as well. In GPS maps is color, you know. So yeah, it's a very nice car. I mean, you got in the pictures you don't really realize how nice this car is, but in real life you just go and have a look at it, drive it, own it. It's a really nice car. I mean, Tesla have refined this product, I mean, so much. When I'm driving this car, I just feel it's just a sensational feeling. It's just like I really enjoy the drive more than the car, because the car is just so well refined. You know, I just enjoy driving it. Like, until I don't realize how fast I'm going, but man, this car is a fun thing to drive. And I love the brakes. The brakes are good as well. But coming back to the UI, really well made. I mean, this is one of the best UI I've ever seen. Better than BMW iDrive, Mercedes-Benz, you know, Audi. I mean, Tesla did a very good job with the UI. I'm super happy. In terms of the dashboard, I love the wood trim. It looks fantastic. It looks so classy. So yeah, that's about it, I guess. Thank you for watching.